This engine's so much better.
I'm sure it is, yeah. A little different out there?
I didn't get the track I wanted, but it was actually fun over there.
Which side you go, left or right?
Right. I wanted the left.
Yeah, the left is a little bit smoother.
It works.
Yeah, guys. Left is a lot smoother because the right has like really sharp curves.
Yeah.
Oh, your tires are chilling, dude. Whatever. You're maybe eating this side a little bit more, but like barely.
It's a lot. It's not like that track where it's one side all the time, which is nice.
Yeah, so you'll be a little more consistent.
Yeah, instead of having to swap them all day.
Yep.
Huge. Oh my god, it's all that work. I'm so thankful.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm really feeling my shitty tires.
Yeah. What's wrong with them?
My friend gave me some tires that are from like 2021 and they have like 50% tread. So I just feel like I have no grip.